Smile and learn.
Hi there, friends. How are you doing? I'm Namaste the Cobra. Would you like to be as flexible as I am? I can help you by showing you how to do the cobra pose. Shall we begin? This exercise will improve your spine mobility and strengthen your lower back. It will also help you relax your neck muscles. First, pay attention to my guidelines. Then we'll practice the pose. We'll lie on our belly, face down. We'll place our palms near the shoulders. We'll breathe in air and press onto the floor with both hands. We'll lift the head and chest at the same time and breathe out through our teeth, listening to a hissing sound cobras make. Then, we'll go back to the starting position. We'll hold the pose for 10 seconds, and we'll do 5 repetitions. Ready? Now we're all set to do the exercise. Lie on the floor, face down. Place your palms near the shoulders. While breathing in, press onto the floor with both hands. Lift your head and chest at the same time. Breathe out through your teeth and do the cobra hissing sound. Shh. We'll hold the pose for 10 seconds. I'll keep time. Very well. Let's go back to the starting position to relax a little bit. How did you like it? It's not that hard, is it? Come on, let's give it one more go. Lie again on your belly. Place your palms near the shoulders. And while breathing in, lift your head and chest. Breathe out doing the hissing sound. Perfect. Let's rest a little, going back to the starting position. The cobra pose is an excellent way to relax. Let's try it once more. Lie on your belly, face down. Place your palms near the shoulders. Feel your breathing. Take in air and press onto the floor with both hands, lifting the head and chest at the same time. Take it slow. There's no rush. And do the cobra hissing sound. Shh. Good job. Let's rest again for a little while. Just 2 repetitions to go, friends. Ready? Lying face down, place once again your palms near your shoulders. Breathe in while lifting your head and chest. 10 seconds. Shh. Way to go. Just 1 left to go, people. You're doing great. 10 more seconds. Lie on your belly face down. Place your palms near your shoulders. Feel your breathing and take air in, pressing onto the floor with both hands. Lift your head and chest. Let the air out through your teeth, doing the cobra hissing sound. Shh. That's awesome, friends! Now you know how to do the cobra pose. Did you like it? It's been a pleasure showing you. See you around. Namaste.
Do you want to keep on learning? Try for free our Smile and Learn platform for a month and enjoy all of our games, videos, and interactive stories. Go for it! Download Smile and Learn on your mobile, tablet, or PC.